Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a small container to hold screws. First, power off your Asus F543UA laptop and unplug it from any power source. This is crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during the repair process. Next, carefully remove the back panel of the laptop. To do this, turn the laptop upside down and locate the screws securing the back cover. There are usually about 8 to 10 screws to remove. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to unscrew them, placing the screws in your small container to prevent losing them. Once all screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using the plastic spudger. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. Now that you have access to the internal components, locate the battery. Disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard to ensure that no power is running through the device while you work on it. If you are unsure about any of these steps, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert advice. With the battery disconnected, turn your attention to the screen. The LCD screen is typically held in place by a metal frame or plastic bezel. Carefully remove the bezel by gently prying it off with the spudger. Be patient and take your time. Rushing this step can lead to cracks in the new screen or damage to the bezel itself. Once the bezel is removed, you will see screws securing the screen to the metal frame. Remove these screws using your Phillips head screwdriver. If you encounter any resistance, double-check that all screws have been removed. Once loose, gently tilt the screen forward and disconnect the video cable attached to the back of the screen. This cable can be fragile, so handle it with care. Now it's time to install the new screen. Take your replacement screen and carefully connect the video cable to the back. Make sure it's securely attached, and then align the screen with the screw holes in the metal frame. Replace the screws to hold the screen in place, ensuring it's tightly secured. Before reassembling the laptop, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris from the internal components. Use a soft, dry cloth or compressed air to gently clean the area. If you don't have the tools or time for this, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your laptop serviced without any hassle. Now, replace the bezel by snapping it back into place, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the battery to the motherboard, and then replace the back panel of your laptop. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure all screws are tightened appropriately to avoid any loose components. Finally, power on your Asus F543UA to test the new screen. If everything is working correctly, you have successfully replaced your laptop screen. If you encounter issues, don't hesitate to reach out for help. We provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. Congratulations on completing this repair, and enjoy your newly functioning screen. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.